Hi class, in this video I'm going to show how you should have completed your 2A project for last week's assignments. So I already opened up the opening file. I'll just click Enable Editing, and don't forget you're supposed to save this and also change the file name. Okay, change that to 2 and save it. Okay, now we're working in the correct document. So the first thing you're actually supposed to do is to modify the document's normal style. Okay, by changing the font to Times New Roman, font size to 12 point, and line spacing to double with no blank space after paragraphs. So here's your styles. So you'll right click over normal, click on modify. Okay, you're changing this to Times New Roman. Again, your instructions say also 12 point. We can leave that. We're changing this to no spacing. Okay, we also need to change our double space, so you'll go down to Format, Paragraph, change your line spacing from multiple to double. Okay, and you're also changing this after to 0 point. Okay, and that's where it comes in as with no blank space after paragraphs. Okay, so you'll click OK, OK. Okay, and then now we can apply that style to the first 4 lines. Okay, so you'll select those 4 lines and click on normal. Okay, and this is actually how you should always format your MLA report. So your name, your instructor's name, the class or the assignment, and then the date. Okay, let's see, it says to apply that, which we did. So number 3, center the title paragraph. So that's a solution to food deserts. Okay, so you'll center. Okay, and then number 4, it says to insert a header. Okay, so you'll go into your Insert tab, look for your header and footer group, click on Header, go down to Edit Header. Okay, and it says Right Align. So you go to your Home tab and click your Right Align button. You're typing in Matheson, space, and then we're going to insert a plain number page number. So you go up to your Design tab, go to Page Number, go down to Current Position, and Plain Number. Okay, and then you can close this. So that's all you needed to do for the page number. Also for your lab assignment, that's what you needed to do. You needed to put your last name and insert a page number. And again, enter all of this information, but personalized to you, myself, the current date, and the correct class. Okay, next it says to create a first line indent for the body of your report. So you need to select the entire body of your report. Okay, but don't include works cited. Okay, to do your first line indent, you'll go down to your paragraph dialog box launcher, which is that little square here. Okay, and you're changing special to first line and click OK. So now each of your lines in the body of your report is indented by ½ inch. Okay, next we can go to number 6, which is change the citations and bibliography style to MLA. Okay, and you can click anywhere so that it unselects your selection. Okay, and you'll go to your References tab, and you're changing your style in your citations and bibliography group from APA down to MLA. Okay, so you won't be able to see any immediate changes, but it did happen. Okay, so now we're going to insert a citation. Okay, and it says in the sentence beginning with, in the United States. Okay, move the insertion point before the period at the end of the sentence. So right after the word vegetables. Okay, but before the period, you're going to insert a new source, and that's insert citation. Click on Add New Source. Okay, and you're going to fill out the information exactly how it is in your instruction sheet. So type of source is website. Okay, it's a corporate author, United States Department of Agriculture, food sources. 2018 is the year accessed of October 12th, and it's an electronic medium. Okay, so again, just fill it out exactly how it is in your instruction sheet and click OK. Okay, next we're going to do another citation but with an existing source. So it says to go to the third sentence, most food sources at the end of the sentence but before the period, so right after city. Okay, you'll click on Insert Citation, and it says to use the existing Johnson source. So click once on Johnson Nathaniel. Okay, and here's your citation. Okay, number 9 in your instruction sheet says in the fourth sentence in the first body paragraph. Okay, we're going to use the thesaurus to change ashore, so here it is, with a more common synonym. So you'll right-click over ashore, and it says to choose one that starts with the letter G. So you'll right-click on ashore, go down to synonyms, and guarantee is a synonym that begins with G for guarantee. Okay, next number 10 says to find the sentence, the aim is ending with growth. Okay, so here it is, look for growth. Okay, again, you're going to click before the period. Okay, and we're going to create another citation, so you go to Insert Citation, click on Add New Source, and again, you'll type it in exactly how it is, okay, in your instruction sheet. So, article in a periodical, Ames Judy, okay, Ideal Harvests, Farming Times, 2017, July 8th, pages 20 to 22, and the medium is print. Okay, so once you filled it out exactly how it is in your instruction sheet, you click your OK button. Okay, and next we're going to insert a footnote. So a footnote is different than your citation. And number 11 says to provide additional information at the end of the second paragraph. Okay, so here's the end of the second paragraph. Move the insertion point after the period. So after the period following bushes. Okay, you'll go up to Insert Footnote. Okay, and once you click Insert Footnote, it automatically brings you down to your footer area. Okay, with a number 1. This indicates footnote 1. And you can type in such practices are called companion planting. Okay, to get out, well actually we need to modify our footnote style. So just highlight your footnote area. Okay, and then you'll right click on this highlighted area and go to Style. Okay, and the instructions say to change it to 12 point and double line spacing. So you'll click on Modify, change your 10-point font to 12. Oh, sorry, I keep doing that. 12 point, and then go down to Format. Go up to Paragraph, and change your line spacing from single to double, and click OK, OK, and Apply. Okay, so you notice right off the bat that your font size changed from 10 to 12. Okay, next number 13 says in the main body of the document to find all instances of the text abandoned. So you need to click inside of your document to get out of your footer, and we're going to do a find and replace. So that's on your Home tab. Click on Replace. Find what? We need to find abandoned, replacing with vacant, and we're doing a replace all, and hopefully it says that it made 2 replacements. So click OK, and then close. Okay, next, number 14, removing the paragraph microforms include, here it is, to be the third body or third paragraph in the body. So you'll select that paragraph, you'll cut it. So you can use the cut function or do a Control-X keyboard shortcut. Okay, and you'll click after either this one or in front of the current third paragraph, and you can do a Control-V as in Victor, paste. Okay, and that pastes it into the third paragraph position. Okay, next, number 15 says in the fifth body paragraph, okay, where it says in rural locations and to employees. Okay, edit the 4TA. So here's the 4TA citation to add the page number 25. So you'll right click over 4TA, click on Edit Citation, and we're adding the page 25, and click OK. That's just so that we know that we referred to page 25 in our citation. Okay, next, number 16 says to modify the works cited. Okay, and it says with the insertion point immediately before works cited, so just click once in front of works cited, insert a manual page break. So you go to Insert, Page Break. Okay, and that automatically moves down your works cited to the next page. Okay, then it says to center it, so you'll go to your Home tab, click on Center. Okay, and now it says with the insertion point in the left aligned blank paragraph at the end of the document. Okay, so just click once right beneath works cited, and it should be flashing on the left here. You're going to use the Insert Bibliography command to insert a list of sources without a built-in heading. So to do that, you'll go to your References tab, go to your Citations and Bibliography group, click on Bibliography, and not built in. So you're just clicking on Insert Bibliography. Okay, next, number 18 says, after reviewing your bibliography, you'll notice that the year is missing from the Harris source. Okay, and it says to find the Harris source and edit it, entering 2017 as the year. Okay, so to view your sources, you'll click on Manage Sources, and let's look for Harris on the current list, and then click on Edit. Okay, here the year is missing, so it says to type in 2017, click OK, click Close, and now we need to update it. Okay, so we do need to update it because you'll notice that our 2017 isn't in here yet. So you'll right click anywhere over the highlighted area, click on Update Field. Okay, and now you'll see that it has our October 24 or 24 October 2017. Okay, lastly, what we need to do is to do a spelling and grammar check. So that is on your Review tab. You click on Spelling and Grammar. Okay, and the only thing we need to change here is build. Okay, and so it should have made that change, and it will say your spelling and grammar check is complete. Okay, and that's all you needed to do for your Project 2A. And it should have looked like this.